Determine means to decide something after thinking. It also means to find out the result, or truth. In simple words, determine equals decide or find out. Easy explanation. You determine something when you think carefully, make a decision, find an answer. Determine is used for decisions and results. Very easy examples with explanation. She determined the answer. He determined to study hard. More simple example sentences. The test will determine the result. We must determine the cause. Hard work helps determine success. Daily life examples. Exams determine grades. Choices determine the future. Teachers determine marks. Student sentence. My marks will determine my rank. Easy memory trick. Determine equals decide or find out.